This question is asking us three things. It's asking us if the Fed buys bonds, what will happen to the money supply, to bond prices, and the interest rate. So we'll look at each one of these separately and try and work through it. First off, when the Fed buys bonds, it means that they are taking bonds from the bank, and in exchange for those bonds, they're giving the banks money. So we know that the money supply will increase. So we can immediately eliminate A, D, and E as options. We also know when it comes to interest rates that in the money market, if the money supply increases or shifts to the right, that interest rates will fall from the original point to a lower interest rate. So again, B and D are pretty much even up because they both say that they decrease. The issue is what happens to bonds. The bond market is run by supply and demand just like any other market. And in this case, if the Fed is buying bonds, it means that there is an increase in the demand for bonds relative to what there was before. And we see then that when the demand curve shifts to the right, that the price of bonds, the equilibrium point between supply and demand, increases. And so the price of bonds should increase. And that eliminates option B. It means that C is the correct answer.